Question 2. We're asked to determine the first three terms of 1 minus 2x all to the power of 11 in ascending powers of x, and we have to give each term in its simplest form. So to do this, we're going to use the binomial expansion. So the first term, we've got 11 things to choose from, and we want it in ascending powers of x. So to start with, we're going to choose 0 of the negative 2x's. That means you're going to have 1 to the power of 11, because we're going to choose 1 from every one of those brackets. Okay, the next term is we're going to have 11 choose 1 of the negative 2x's. So that means we're going to have 1 to the power of 10, and negative 2 times negative 2x to the power of 1. And the third term is going to be 11 choose 2, so choosing 2 of the negative 2x's. So we're going to have 1 to the power of 9 times negative 2x squared. So now all we have to do is expand this out and simplify it. So 11 choose 0, well, anything choose 0 is 1. There's only one way to choose 0 things. And 1 to the 11 is 1, so we're just going to get 1 times 1 is 1. The next one, 11 choose 1 is 11 times 1 times negative 2x. So we're going to get times 1 times negative 2x. And the third term, 11 choose 2, is going to be 11 factorial over 9 factorial times 2 factorial. So remember, that just comes from the formula. If we've got n choose r things, that is going to equal n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial, like that. Okay, and then times 1, and negative 2x all squared is going to be 4x squared. So now we get 1 plus, or negative 22x plus, so this one we can simplify down. The 11 factorial and 9 factorial, we can cancel them down to 11 times 10. And 2 factorial is just 2 times 1, so there's just 2. And 1 times 4x squared is 4x squared. And then the 2 will cancel here, and we're going to be left with 2x squared. So the final answer is going to be 1 minus 22x plus, well, 11 times 10 is 110, 110 times 2 is 220 times the x squared, so plus 220 x squared. So this is the first three terms of this expansion, and we've got our ascending powers of x.